The temperature of the sun at its core is approximately 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. What is this in scientific notation? Well, of course, if we forget what this is when we have millions or billions, start by writing out what you know. Here's the number 27. If I add a 0, it's 270. Another 0 makes the number 10 times bigger. That's 2,700. Another 10 gives us 27,000. Another 10 gives us 270,000. Another 10 gives us 2,700,000. And then finally we get 27 million. You might be able to remember this because here we have our hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and then it starts over. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, and then it becomes billions. So this pattern keeps repeating. And really, I want to take this number and write it as 2.7, which is much smaller. What I'm doing is putting the decimal point somewhere to make a number, a coefficient we call it, that is less than 10 or bigger than or equal to 1. And the only place I can see that happening here is by placing it between the 2 and the 7. If I place it anywhere else, I don't get a number that's between 1 and 10. So to balance this number out, I've made this pink number really small. I have to balance out the small number because I don't want to change the value by multiplying by 10 to the 3, 6, 7 places. Right? You count where the decimal started and where it ended and add up all those spaces, because that's how many times we have to multiply by 10 to put the decimal back, because we're taking it moving in here between 2 and 7, and then to make sure it's equal we're multiplying by 10 7 times to move it back here, and in fact get the same number in both cases. So I get B 2.7 times 10 to the 7th power. Okay, hope that helped.